Hello and welcome to the video. This is choose the winner of the FuriousFPV module that I talked about at the end of this new kit on the bench format video that I did a couple of weeks ago. Now this was a bit of a test in terms of the format. Thank you for all the feedback. For those of you that kind of said, I think this is good for smaller bits, but the bigger pieces that still require an overview could do with a separate video. So that is the way I'm going to do it. So thank you to everybody for that. So thanks for all the comments, suggestions, people get involved with the draw. So you had to leave a comment, be a subscriber and like to be in with a chance of winning this. So if you did those three things, then you're in with a chance. Now, if you don't win this one, don't worry about it. There's about to be a whole lot more giveaways starting over like a 12 days of Christmas thing starting on Monday the 23rd December. So do make sure that you're watching the channel as those start. But let me just cut and paste the links in for this one. Let's find out who's going to win it. Get rid of all the duplicate entries and then let's click the start button. So the winner is MC Creations. Wow, cool. Okay, well, MC Creations is somebody that leaves an awful lot of comments on all my videos, but I've just spotted something in the text there that means that he can't be the winner. Now, MC, as I said, is somebody that comments on a lot of my videos, is always a really nice guy to deal with. Obviously very interested in the hobby already. So if you haven't already, go and check out his video channel. Looks like he's creating lots of videos and content to help people as well. So unfortunately, MC can't win it because he's put at the end of this piece of text, which I spotted before I clicked the link, which is he doesn't have the goggles. So if I pick him, choose somebody else. Now I'll do that, but MC Creations, still send me your address details to lee@painless360.com and I'll get a sticker pack out to you as a commiseration prize. So the real winner is Tim Robinson. Tim, let me just have a quick look at your page. It's always fun to view. Oh, there we are. Look, definitely into radio control. I've got one of those planes. They're very, very quick. Congratulations, Tim. Pop me your address details on an email to lee@painless360.com and I'll get this out to you. Don't worry, as I said at the beginning, if you haven't won, there's going to be a lot more chances to win prizes on the channel. So stay tuned for next week and make sure that you're watching the videos as they come out. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organize all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless360 will find all of my videos and even the playlist around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.